In the given diagram, IZ is equal to 4IL, find IRS. So there is a supply voltage of 25 volt, a resistance RS and a Zener diode with Zener voltage 5 volt and a load resistance RL. IZ is the current flowing through the Zener diode and IL is the current flowing through RL. Now here it is given IZ is equal to 4 IL. So IL is 5 milliampere, that is 5 into 4 is 20 milliampere. So the total current through RS, that is IS, is, it is divided in two parts, IZ plus IL, that is IZ plus IL. So 20 plus 5, that is 25 milliampere. So the total current is 25 milliampere. 20 milliampere is flowing through the Zener diode and 5 milliampere is flowing through the load resistance RL. And the Zener voltage is 5 volt. So the potential difference between A and B is 5 volt. We have to calculate the resistance RS. Now the potential difference with respect to this point, with respect to B, the potential at A is 5 volt. If we assume the negative is 0, the negative terminal is 0 volt and the positive is plus 25 volt. So B end is 0 volt. So the potential difference between the 2 points C and A, between the point C and A is 25 minus 5, that is 20 volt. So the potential difference across RS is 25 volt. Now V is equal to I into R, that is IS RS. This is the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, or RS is equal to V divided by I. So here V is 20 volt and IS is 25 milliampere, that is 25 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 25 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 is 1000. So this is 1000 divided by 25. 5 times 4 is 20 and 5. So this becomes 200 times 4 is 800 ohm. So the value of RS is 800 ohm.